I have tested a bunch of scan tools, and these are my 5 best recommended for full system tablet scan tool under $500. So at number 5 we have Budget Peak. This one is not as advanced as the rest of this list, but it does cost about only $260, and that makes it perfect pick for budget mechanics that don't want to spend as much, but you still want to have that full system scan tool. This is full system, you can check live data and fault codes in every system. You can also use bidirectional tests, so you can control different components just with your OBD2 scanner, and then it also has service menu where you have 20 of service resets. So pretty much everything you would need for that basic DIY job. This tool is also interesting because you can control it with touch display, but also use these controls on the side, which can be handy when using. Sometimes you can do only one hand, or it is easier to use controls, and sometimes you want to do that touch screen. And then it is also wired OBD2 scanner. Some people like Bluetooth ones more, but great advantage is that you don't have to charge as often, because when you plug this cable and you are using diagnostics, you are also charging your scanner at the same time. So perfect pick for new mechanics or some smaller shops. That is Mucar 682. And of course, all the tools are linked below in the description. Also with coupon code CarHacker you can get 10% off. Now at number 4 we have Xtool D8S. Now this one is also a wired version, so same thing goes. When you are using scanner you are also charging it, so you don't have to charge it as often. Now this Xtool scanner offers a bunch of things that you will not find in any scan tool in this list. It is especially good for service resets, for some more complex service resets, so not that basic stuff like unlocking brake calipers or battery matching. This is especially good in this price range for those more complex resets. For example, if you are fitting new instrument cluster, this thing can do mileage calibration via OBD for a lot of car models. Then it is also pretty good for key programming, especially if you get one of these key programming add-ons. This one is the cheaper version, but then they also have that more advanced programmer, something like this one, when you can also fit EEPROM chips and do more stuff with it. But I also use this one. I made key for Volkswagen Golf. By the way, if you go to my website, that is imcarhacker.com, you can see a lot of these procedures in action, also with this scanner. So some odometer corrections, and then also some procedures for making new keys. Other scanners are documented there as well. So like I was saying, it is good for that more complex service resets. And then also, as only OBD2 scanner on this list, it does have topology scan, so you can see the tree view of control modules. I mean, one scanner will have it as well later in this list, but this one has it for every car. So the reason why it is number 4, I mean, it is still good scanner, but there are two things to consider if you want to get this one. Number 1, updates. You are getting 3 years of free updates. After that you have to pay. I think update is about $100, so it is not that bad, but all other tools on this list are with free lifetime updates. So that is one thing to consider. And second thing to consider, Xtool tablet scanners don't have as easy to use user interface like the other brands. Especially one thing that is kind of pissing me off lately is that with the new updates you cannot even update everything. I actually had to remove a bunch of brands from this because you physically cannot update everything because there is small storage inside the tablet. So you have to choose which brands you will not use, delete them, and then you can update those brands that you are using scanner for. So I would say it is pretty good tool to solve some issues that I cannot solve with other scanner, but it is not the best for everyday use. At number 3 we have Kingbolen K8 Pro. By the way, some of these scanners, I know title says under 500, some of them might be 550 or something like that, but just for the sake of the title I will say it. What I love most about this scanner is this magnetic VCI holder. Every Bluetooth tablet scanner should have this, because if I have garage and you have a lot of stuff, I learned the hard way to keep my dongle close to my scanners, but often I need scanner and then I have to look for the dongle everywhere. If you have magnetic holder, you are finished, you just put it here, very easy. Then you also got camera, which is not that useful in OBD2 scanner, but if you are planning to do some work for customers or maybe doing some used car checks, you can use this camera to directly attach photos to your diagnostic reports, which is pretty good feature. And then Kingbolen K8 Pro is opposite of that Xtool scanner, so very easy to work with, easy to use interface. You kind of know everything from the first use. It is very intuitive, especially it is good for coding. It is way easier to do some coding, unlock some hidden settings, especially on German brands like VAG or BMWs or Mercedes, using something from Kingbolen or Fincar Mucar than it is on Xtool scanners, but both can do it. So this is not scanner as much to solve some really complex advanced issues, but it is amazing for diagnosing faults because it is way better to check live data and doing the live data logs in Kingbolen K8. It is good for coding, good for used car checks. It is best as general tool in garage to solve a lot of smaller issues fast. At number 2 we have Youcanic full system scanner. They make sure that their scanner works completely without internet connection. So only times you have to use internet connection is to update this tool and first set up this tool. Other than that, everything works without internet. And sadly, they didn't make the magnetic VCI plates, which is a shame, but their VCI have this little flashlight, which is interesting detail. But I already did a lot of procedures with this. I used this for service resets, I did some DP average generation, I did some coding, unlocking of hidden settings. I've used it on a bunch of cars. And now I was telling that one of these scanners will also have topology, like Xtool, but Youcanic does have topology, but not on every car. It is kind of random. On some cars I could see topology, and on some cars I cannot have it. So you can use topology scan with this Youcanic, just not for all car brands. But also very good for coding, very easy to navigate, easy to use interface. I also tried a bunch of add-ons, for example this video scope, very easy to use. You just connect to this USB port, and then you can use inspection camera with your scanner. And then also I have tried oscilloscope, so you can kind of get that full kit: inspection camera, scanner, oscilloscope, and you are ready to solve basically any problems you will face as DIYer or car mechanic in smaller shop. Now also for more details like languages, tablet specifications, and bunch of details that I just cannot put them all inside the video, in the link in description I will link out to same article on my website, best OBD2 scanners under $500, and there you can check the current best recommendations. Maybe there are already some new better picks, and then also you can research more stuff about each scanner. And now at number 1, still my favorite, Mucar 892 Bluetooth. Simply I love this scanner. I always carry it around. It is smallest, well, if I am not counting this Mucar 682, but check this out. If you compare it to other scanners, it is a lot smaller and lighter, so you can carry it in your glove box and always have it ready. This is basically my go-to scanner. A lot of friends are calling me to check their car, code some feature for their car, doing some DP average generation, service resets, unlock hidden settings, basically anything they want to do. For most part I am using just this scanner. Mucar 892 Bluetooth is especially good for coding. It is actually very similar to this Kingbolen K8 Pro. I just like it better because it is so small, and I like to always have scanner with me, so I have it in glove box or in the trunk. Doesn't take up a lot of space, and I'm always ready to either solve some warning lights, doing tire rotations, same like with Youcanic. Basically all of these scanners except this cheaper Mucar, all of them comes with options you can connect to. So like Youcanic had oscilloscope, video scope, Xtool has key programmer. For the Fincar there are also a bunch of add-ons, Fincar, Mucar, so it will not confuse you. It is basically same thing, it is same brand. So you can use, doesn't matter from which brand, Mucar or Fincar, it will work with this. If you go to this more module, enter, and here you also have a bunch of modules you can use. For example, we have TPMS tool, so this you use for tire rotations where there are TPMS sensors. You need to add new sensors to TPMS module or doing some programming activation of sensors. Then they also have video scope, oscilloscope. I have not tried those yet, but you can connect these add-ons as well. You have printer, battery tester, and the key programmer, which I have here. It looks something like this. I just haven't had time to play with this, but you will get this key programmer and then also box with 6 remotes to start. Links to buy them in description. For the Mucar, Xtool, and this Mucar, use coupon code CARHACKER and you will get 10% off if you go on that store linked in description.